What's the meaning of acrylic? Acrylic. 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 Acrylic refers to a type of plastic that is commonly used in a variety of products, including paints, furniture, and fabrics. It is known for its durability, clarity, and ability to resist damage from the sun and water. The result of using acrylic in these products includes a strong, long-lasting material that is often lightweight and easy to clean. Acrylic paints, for example, offer vibrant colors and are popular among artists for their ability to dry quickly and be used on a variety of surfaces. Overall, acrylic is a versatile and practical material that has become a popular choice for many industries due to its many beneficial properties.